Bro, they got cop bodies all over the fucking street, bro. What the fuck did you do?
I only killed two. I only killed two.
Oh my god! Ain't no way!
Get up. Big.
Find it, bro.
Why is your side eyeing me, bro? This high ass motherfucker. Bro, I can't even see this motherfucker nose, mouth. You just a.
You don't need it.
floating
You don't
head.
need it.
Really about to get to your pickle chin that boy. Egg on that collard green head that boy. Oh head now boy, your dirt ass boy, stink ass boy.
Right, got some cash stats out there. Ain't much, but need a little bit. You know I can't read, nigga.
If you could read one full page of a Harry Potter book, nigga.
We doing. This nigga. Wait. You see how this nigga looking at you?
I beat his ass. I was gonna beat
He side out of you. On my mama, he side out of you right now, JC. You gonna let him side out you like that?
Nigga, he about to come to you with some money. He think you a prostitute. You better lock in, nigga.
Oh, you calling the police?
Oh shit.
Oh.
You calling the police?
Oh, we
nigga.
could.
You beat his ass? What the fuck you do, nigga? Why you just? If he called the police, why you just beat his ass? Why he sad, nigga? What she doing to this nigga?
I don't know, bro.
What did you do to this nigga?
I didn't give him a love.
Harass this nigga, yo. He don't even want to look at me, bro. You harassed the fuck out of this nigga. His face.
Why they got 12 on my ass, bro?
His face was so distraught. Oh my god. Oh.
Why they got 12 on my ass, bro?
Nigga, you harassing niggas. Oh my god.
Oh, bro, I don't do that, bro. No, I'm not a harasser. I get harassed. I'm a woman. Women can't harass people, bro.
What is that shit called? The compass?
You mean the compass and shit? Yeah. All right, it's time to go to sleep. You ready?
Oh!
Why you asking me if I'm ready, nigga?
Are you ready to go to sleep?
Nigga, just click the bed and then get your. Oh my.
You ready?
God.
You ready to go to
Oh my
sleep?
gosh. Bro.
You ready to go to
This is
sleep?
fucking harassment. Oh
Why you jump on top of the chest?
This is fucking harassment. Oh my
Street clip.
Nigga, come over here, nigga. Come stand next to this lamp, nigga. I gotta see something. Shit. Okay, never mind.
The fuck? What the fuck? All right, nigga, you come take this shit. I'll drop this shit.
Okay, give me that shit, nigga. What the fuck is you saying?
Wait.
I make shit. Hey, nigga.
What the fuck?
Drop that shit.
What the
I get
fuck?
some
Stop
pussy. Why you
playing.
smoking a fucking product, nigga. That's
Run
the
the-
number one rule. Don't get high of our shit, nigga. Fuck right now. Put that shit down, nigga. Put that. Stop smoking the fucking product, nigga. That's the number one fucking rule.
I built this shit. Me. Brick by brick. And I'll be damned if I let you tear it down.
Don't get high off your own shit. What's wrong with this nigga,
Bro,
man?
you're not fucking Franklin Saint, bitch.
What's wrong with this nigga, man? That's the number one fucking rule, man.
Bitch.
Work out, picking up trash. It's just free money.
I hear broke nigga alert, bro. Nigga alert.
Yo, why is he searching me? I'm about to. Oh yeah, I'm beating your ass. I'm beating your ass. I'm beating your ass.
He's searching you because you black.
Oh, don't let me find it bad. Don't let me find it bad. I'm beating your ass. I promise you. Oh God, I'm beating your
He
ass.
searched you.
When a police officer body end up in the trash can. Oh, I just found it bad.
Hey, come get this. Come go get this shit. Come get this shit.
I'm coming to get shit. I'm putting this nigga in the fucking dirt right
No,
now.
come get this product, bro. Come get this product so we can sell, bro.
I'm about to beat this nigga ass. You got anyone else with you? Oh, you do got someone else with you.
Fuck!
Do you?
That is not.
Why the
Hey,
fuck you
dude.
keep searching me? I'm beating. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, God.
What's up, you fat pig? What, you don't see where you're fucking going?
I wasn't even driving.
Don't shut the fuck up, you fucking piece of bacon!
He's sitting here smiling at me and shit, bro. I'm not.
Hi, how are you?
He like
You
you.
lucky it's another officer right there, cause if it wasn't, I would have beat your ass.
Campus?
Yep. Free sample. If you don't take it,
Oh,
I'm beating
bro.
your ass.
Bro, we get bonuses when we like deliver when it's curfew time.
We got a new customer. Say that though. Say that. Bet. We making hood
So, like,
deliveries now.
That's crazy. So nighttime really rewarding us on shit. Fuck
Yeah,
the
'cause we
police.
Real hustlers. You don't take the free sample, you die.
Oh, my
That's it.
No, don't kill niggas, bro.
What do you
I
mean
think
don't
you
kill niggas?
you lower their friendship. We need a friendship high.
Nigga, fuck your friendship. Nigga, take the drugs. Hey.
I thought you was. I thought you was a.
Keep talking about how the fuck I do business, nigga. Oh,
fuck,
shit.
Police!
Nigga, you want this fucking work, nigga? You act like
Nigga, how the fuck we both died?
Oh, hold on. I can say the one y'all think. Sam?
Nope.
What's up, Sam? You good? Okay, watch. Donna gonna want some no.
I'm not fucking with you.
Alright, watch this. What the fuck are you saying? Donna gonna want some no. Watch. Look.
All my damage.
Oh.
Not bad at all. Yeah, Sam. And guess what? Huh? Cause you're not fucking with me, I'm beating your ass. This Sam's second time. Sam's second time going in the fucking trash bin because he wanna fucking play and shit. Donna just wag it like that. Trim this shit, boy.
I'm gonna trim your nuts off. Keep playing.
Boy. Trim faster, boy. You're not trimming faster.
Those are not my pronouns. I do not go by boy. I go by nigga. What the fuck? Raise eyebrows like The Rock. We need some more customers.
Can I interest you?
What's going on, fellas?
Who the fuck is that?
Who this big dick guy nigga
Not
talking
interested. I'm beating your ass. You know what it is, nigga. Go the fuck to bed, nigga. Not interested. You don't got a fucking choice to buy this fucking weed, nigga. Talking about something not interested. What's wrong with this nigga, yo?
My mama got that to. Hold on, come on, let me check my screen.
I done let this nigga go to sleep at the fucking stairs.
The nigga swung his body to the side.
Shit.
Oh, what are you doing to that man?
Where the fuck?
Oh, I got it.
Chill.
Right now, though.
He ain't wanna.
All my damage.
Good, ain't it? Oh, that nigga high. Yeah, boy. Nigga eyes went red instantly. That nigga fried. Get a fucking bat. He walking to the fucking
you pussy. You pussy.
Say swear.
Swear.
Okay. This man is saying nigga, watch this. You laughing. I'm about to show you how a real nigga get down. You laughing.
Yeah, show me how a real nigga get down, JC.
Huh?
Show me how a real nigga get down, JC. Show me, JC. Yo, we popular right now, bro. That nigga had a whole family. You just killed that man in cold blood, bro.
Hell yeah. I'm fucking like that, nigga. Ready to fucking evidence. Yeah. Swamp. Look at these niggas. Why they coming up to our motel though? They finna start questioning niggas. What they doing? Like,
The police?
I want to kill both of these niggas right now.
So they don't got shit over there. I don't know why the fuck they over there.
Better get the fuck back.
Them clean stash.
Motherfucker. Your partner long gone, twin.
Yo, I might have to take shit out the market because niggas asking shit and we don't got it. What the fuck was that? Somebody's got tased?
Yup. 2 in the dirt, bitch. 2 in the dirt, bitch. I'm gone.
This nigga over there.
Dirt, bitch. 2 in the dirt, bitch. Wanted dead or alive. 2 in the dirt, bitch.
Bro, they got cop bodies all over the fucking street, bro. What the fuck did you do?
I only killed 2.
Are you sure about that?
Marcel, something go.
All my
I'm
damage.
gonna think about getting this a water tower.
That nigga, yeah, I know you seen that shit.
Lenny Soil.
Alright. You got Sam? I got Sam.
I don't got nobody right now. I'm over here playing with seeds.
Almost got me caught again. I'm about to kill. Oh nah, I can't even kill this nigga.
Yeah,
yo, it was a cop. It was a cop right here after I completed the shit. Yo.
That's crazy.
Nigga, you a snitch. I'm killing you.
Gonna call this pussy pop.
Yo.
Wait, what the fuck? We got that pussy pop.
Hell no.
We got that pussy pop, JC.
See, that's why you don't do.
We got that pussy pop, JC. Fire on the way. I'm trying to see about it.
1, 2, 3, 4. How many?
Remind myself I'm human. Remind myself I'm flawed. Remind myself I'm gifted, approval sent from God. I can't fake it like I'm perfect, getting praise from y'all. But I'm worth it cause I'm working and it's truly hard. Only chosen cause I gave an answer when he called. I ain't healed yet, on earth I'll never be. Feel as best I can.